We are pleased to introduce our new product search. Search areas. The product search is divided into 4 main areas: vehicle search, article search, installation guides, information. In the vehicle search, you can find the appropriate product by selecting manufacturer, model, type/year of manufacture. Once you enter these details, the product search will display all matching articles, including article number, installation guide, shop availability. Additional filter options are available to further refine your search. In the article search, you can look up products directly by article number, check compatibility with your vehicle, use filter functions for a more comprehensive preview. Installation guides. This section contains all available product installation guides, option to expand all instructions. Targeted search for specific guides using article numbers. Information section. The information area provides a brief explanation of the product search, an example demonstrating the meaning of different colors that may appear in vehicle and article searches. We hope you enjoy exploring our new product search.